Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class we will start a new block. We will move on to the 19th block, that is moving air. Already we are learning about air. So in the previous block we learned about how important is air to us and also how important to keep the air clean, and also we learned that how the unclean air will affect our lungs and how it may lead to various diseases. So now today's class will learn further some more new things about air, children. So now before starting, here is one. Let us see what are the keywords for today's learning. You can see the keywords: air, A-I-R, air; wind, W-I-N-D, wind; breeze, B-R-E-E-Z-E; gale, G-A-L-E, gale; storm, S-T-O-R-M. So by hearing the keywords, you all might be interested to learn what these all words might be. Maybe you know the meaning for air, but wind, breeze, gale, storm, how are they different from each other? Actually, how they will be, that's what we are going to learn. Yes, no, children? So before starting the lesson, here is one puzzle for you. See, I am here, I am there, I am everywhere. I am here, I am there, and I am everywhere. Children, can you tell me who am I? Without me, you can't live. Yes. Can you tell me who am I? Very good. So the air. So without air, we can't live, because air is important for our breathing. That's what we learned already, and you all know that now. So now, air. Can we see the air, children, surrounding you everywhere? Air is there. But can we see? No, we can't see. So what then? How can we know that air is there surrounding us? Yeah, we can feel the air. So we can't see, but we can feel air. How can we feel it? When air is moving the things. When you see that trees, leaves are moving. When you are flying a kite. When you are riding a bicycle. When you are playing with a firki, which will move with the wind. When the air blows. So we can feel air. So air can be felt. We can feel the air. Let us move on to the next. You see the picture, children. Here you can see the tree. How the tree is, that branches of the tree and the leaves are bent to one side. Why it has bent like that, children? What is blowing and what is making it to bend like that? Very good. It is the air. For example, children, if you have later the class over also, you can take a cotton ball in your hand and you blow air. Will it move? Yes. And you take one small ball, cotton ball, tennis ball, plastic ball. When you blow air, will it move? That you can keep in your hand and you can blow and see. Cotton ball, a ball you make out of cotton, a small tennis ball. You take one plastic small ball and you blow air on that, it will start moving. So by blowing air, the things move. Not all the things, yes, which are very light, but that can be moved. So wind, air can move the things. So here also you can see the leaves are getting moved, the branches are getting moved, and this moving air surrounding that place everywhere, that you can see that it is blowing everywhere, the air is blowing. So the moving air is called as the wind, children. Already you all know that air is surrounding us, and air is having many gases. That is what from that we are taking the oxygen, you know that. Now, when the air moves from one place to another place, that air is called as the wind, W-I-N-D, wind. Yeah. Now, up to now we learned that air is all around us. We can't see it. We can feel it. When we can feel it? When it moves. So how can you know that when it is moving? So it will move the things, light things, which is not heavy like the cotton ball, a plastic ball, and also you had seen the leaves, and you can see when you are flying the kite, you can see that air is only making it to move. That is the wind which is helping you to move. And also in your textbook you can see some pictures, the dried leaves are getting flied here and there. That is because air is moving the things. Air moves things. Now you can see here, moving air is called wind. Yes, and you can see the kite is flying, because which is moving, it will move the things. Moving air will move the things also. That is how the kite is flying, because with the help of the moving air. So moving air is called the wind. And one more thing is, air can move the different things which are light, that can be moved. Now you see. Here you can see, what is this picture, children? It is a windmill which is used to produce electricity. See here, like a fan, they will have the blades, and what will happen, they will be very tall, and these blades will be rotating when the wind is blowing. Wind is blowing means that air is blowing, it is called as wind. So that also, when it is moving, we can understand that we can see and we can understand that we cannot see the air, but we can see these moving things and we can understand that air is blowing on. That is why the blades are getting moved. Now see here, children are flying kite, and also you can see the clothes, how they are in your home also. Sometimes if you keep the clothes for drying and you forget to keep the clips, what will happen to the clothes after drying? They may getting moved to somebody's house also, it may go. Yes, no, children? Because who has moved them? Wind has moved them. What is wind? Moving air. And we can't see it, but we can feel that. See here, how the clothes are getting moved. So that is one proof that air can move the things. On windy days, kids can fly kites. Wet clothes dry faster in windy days also, because wind, see, moves the things, and wind means what it is? It is the air which is moving air is called the wind. Now air is all around us, so you know that without air we can't live. When air moves, so now the movement also, it moves in different speed. Just now before I told that when you are riding bicycle, sometimes when air is blowing in a opposite direction to you, you will find it very difficult to ride the bicycle. So this wind speed is differing. What is this speed? See, when you are going in a car or vehicle, or you are riding bicycle, when you are pedaling fastly, you will say that I came very fastly. That means what? The speed is more. When you are going slowly, the speed is less. Same way, wind can also blow with different speed. For example, this fan, see, even back of me, the fan is rotating on the top. So if suppose in the summer I want to increase the speed, you have a regulator at home, no, children? When you regulator, when you twist, when you switch on, when you rotate it, the speed of the wind from the fan can be adjusted. When you want the less air, when you don't want so much of air to blow on you, you can control that. But same thing happens in the nature. How you are controlling with the regulator at home, same thing happens in the nature. Sometimes the wind blows with very high speed, sometimes they blow with very less, gentle, low speed. So that's what we are going to learn. Now you know air is what, wind is what. Now see, when the air moves gently, it is moving very pleasant, it is called as breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E. But when it is moving little bit, moving gently, only wind, and it is gently wind and also very pleasant, we'll call it as the breeze, children. Now you see, moving gently, moving, that is called as the breeze. And but always it won't be pleasant. Yes, no, before rain or anything, you might have felt that how the air is blowing very fastly. We'll see what it is. See here, children, sometimes the wind blows very fastly, so it is not pleasant. It is not like a breeze means very nicely we can enjoy that breeze, but sometimes it is very fast. What do we call it? We'll see that. See here, when the wind is faster than a breeze, it is called as a gale. G-A-L-E. Wind is moving pleasant, slowly moving air, wind. When moving air is gentle, breeze. When it is little faster, the speed is faster than the breeze, it is called as a gale. So gale, see here, gently or slowly moving wind is breeze. We feel very pleasant when nicely we can enjoy the breeze. But gale, and sometimes see that it will be much faster than gale also. What is this picture shows, children? See here, the trees are how it is before the layer lightning and raining and all, that is called a storm. Even they are faster than the speed of the wind can carry the roofs of the houses. They can uproot the trees, that may cause lot of destruction. That is called a storm. So all these are wind only, but their speed is differing. That is why they are stronger, they are faster. That is why they are given different names, and their effect also is different. The breeze, gentle and pleasant here, but gale is little stronger. They will move the trees, and in your textbook also you can see the picture. But when it comes as a storm, see that when the wind is stronger and faster than a gale, it is called as a storm. So storm can uproot, and storm usually after the storm there will be usually it comes along with the rain and lightning will be there. You see, no, bright light will come, lightning, raining heavily, and they can uproot. Uproot means the trees will fall off, and also it will carry away the roofs. Because why? Because the wind is with high speed. Wind is blowing with high speed, and there are so many other changes taking place in the nature. That is why it comes with rain and lightning. So we learnt about air. Air is all around us. We can feel the air. We learnt. Then we learnt that air, when it is moving, air is called as the wind. When wind is gentle, it is called as the breeze. Then when it is even faster than the breeze, it is called as gale. And when it is faster and stronger than the gale, it is called as the storm. And what can storm do? Storm can uproot the trees, and also it can rooftops. Now you can take your S1. We'll see what is in your workbook given related to this, so that we can understand the lesson better. When you open your workbook, page number 15, children, date you have to write. Here you can see the pictures. Circle the pictures that are moved by the wind. Wind is moving air. You see, already I showed you the windmill. You can circle it. You can see the clothes. Already I showed you. Circle it. You can see a yacht here. Yacht. Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht nobody will row it. No motor will be there. It will just to move with the help of the wind in the water. So that also you have to circle. Next, car, will it move by wind, children? No. And the kite? Yes, it moves by the wind. And what about the cotton bed? When you blow air, can we move it? No, all the things cannot be moved. As I told you, it depends upon the speed of the wind, and also it depends upon how heavy is the thing. Now we'll see what is given. What is wind? Second question. Circling over first question. Next question. What is wind? How do we know that wind is blowing? How will you know that wind is blowing? What is wind, first of all, children? Moving air is called wind. How do you know that? When we see the moving things, like just now so many are there, no, clothes are moving, leaves of the trees are moving. Yes, that you can write any one on your own. What is the role of a fan regulator? What happens to the air when we use it? As I told you, regulator will control the speed of the air, so that when we want the air to blow fastly, depending upon the season and our requirement, we can control it. Yes, no, children? So this you can try on your own. Regulator spelling and all, no need to learn. Just you know that will control the speed of the wind. Now you see, after you try on your own, if you are unable to do, you can check the answers. So first one, circling, you can do on your own. Second one, moving air is called wind. How will you know that? By seeing the moving leaves of a tree, you can write, or anything else you want to write, you can write. And about the regulator, it controls the speed of the blades of the fan. Strength of the air gets controlled. How strong it is, it will get controlled because of this regulator. Just you can know that. If you, in your own words, if you write also, nothing wrong. It will make the fan to move faster, slower, blades move faster. Any words you can put and you can complete that. Let us see what is given in the S2, children. So now types of wind. Already you know the types. No? What are the three types, children? Breeze, gale, and also the storm. Let us see. Write the names of the different types of winds. Why are they different from one another? Why are they different, children? So you know that breeze, then you will write the gale, storm. Why are they different? The speed of the wind and strength of the wind is differing from one to another. Now you see the picture, second one. What types of wind are shown in the picture? You see how strong it is blowing. Accordingly, you think on your own and you complete that second one. Third one. Which picture shows the type of wind that can be harmful? How can it be harmful? You see, there is a house and trees are getting uprooted, about to fall. And picture 2, it is nicely, it is gently, it is blowing. So you think the answer, you do it, try it. Then later you check what it is by seeing. Now you can see that. Breeze, what it is? Gently moving air. Gale, strong and fast moving air. Storm, very strong wind with rain and lightning. Yes. Now picture second one, you can only guess and you can write first is storm or gale. You can see third picture, the trees uprooted. You think, and after reading the textbook you can complete that. Third one, picture 1 is harmful. Why? Because it can uproot trees and blow away the roofs of the houses. Even this also I want you to write on your own. After this you will take open your textbook and you will read. Today's activity work is in your EVS notebook only. You can, these three types of wind we learned no children. See here I have given you breeze, gale, storm. So you just you draw a simple picture which you will show that what is breeze, how the breeze will be, how gale will be, how storm will be. Picture you draw and you write this. Gentle moving air is breeze. Strong and fast moving air than the breeze you can add up. Storm, very strong wind with rain and lightning, and the wind will be blowing very stronger than the gale. So these three pictures you can do. In your textbook also pictures are there. You can on your own also you can do. Even workbook has many pictures related to that. See and complete it, children. So as I told you, reading the lesson textbook page number 118 and 119, then completing S1 and S2 in your workbook, and completing the simple activity, drawing the picture of which will show you which will shows breeze, gale and storm, and learning the keywords, and these all over. Automatically you are ready for the learning for the next part of the lesson, children. So complete this and be ready for the next class. Bye bye, children.